guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So today's video is going to be a review video, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Femme HD Liquid Foundation, which retail for only 350 taka. I got a lot of requests from you guys to review this foundation as well, some product of Femme, because Femme is a very affordable brand. It's really highly available in our country. So I thought that this video will be very affordable and budget friendly for the student. So here I go. I'll be showing you guys the demo part as well on my channel in this video. So if you want to see that, then please keep on watching till the end of the video if you want to see the demo. So now let's talk about the packaging first. If you want to see only the demo, then you can skip this part and then you can see the demo. So I'll put the time view over there so that you guys can directly move on to the demo if you really don't want to see the packaging. So first of all, I'll be talking about the packaging first. So it comes in a plastic packaging like this. Papery packaging. It's not a plastic packaging, papery packaging, which actually reflects by this, which I'm really liking. And so that's how the foundation looks like. It is long lasting and it have SPF 50 in it, which is a very good thing. We're gonna see it later. It says that a perfect formula fit with the skin texture and color, and a natural flawless makeup sense of delicacy like a natural beauty. Okay, a lot of things are written, which I really don't want to read because I think you can read it by yourself. And guys, I got it from the page Femme Color Cosmetic Bangladesh. I'll put a link down below if you want to see. And yeah, I think this foundation have only 4 shades. I'll put a picture over there just for you guys so that you guys can actually see and match up your shade. So I'm in the shade Natural 01, but I felt that it is actually 1 shade lighter than my skin tone. I thought it will oxidize on my skin. Okay, I'll talk about everything later, but now first off, I'm going to be talking about the packaging. So that's how the packaging looks like. Let's go inside and show you how the packaging actually looks like. So that's how the foundation, the actual foundation actually looks like. So that's how the actual foundation actually looks like. Have a zit, a black cap. And the most interesting part is, guys, which I really liked, is it have a pump. Though it is actually, I made it messier. Yeah, as you can see, it have a pump. Like only 350 taka you are getting a pump. And I really hate foundation that doesn't have any pump. I don't know, like I love a pump sort of foundation. So yeah, that's how the foundation look like. I think now, without blabbering, I will just directly jump onto the demo and I'll show you guys how it played on my skin and everything of that sort. So without further ado, let's jump on. Hi guys, welcome to the demo part. So as you can see, I have done my brow off camera, and as well I have prepared my skin, like a little bit of masking and as well applying the primer so that I can show you guys just how the foundation actually works on my face. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking my foundation and yeah, I'll be taking a little bit of foundation over there and giving it a good shake before applying on my face. So I'll be taking a little bit on my palm, like 2-3 palm. 1, 2, 3. I think 3 is enough for my face. I don't like to use a lot of foundation on my face altogether. And then I'll be applying this all over my face. Show ya guys. So taking my beauty blender, and I'll be taking a very less amount of product and I'll build it up on my face. So let's go this side first. Okay, it is way too light on my skin tone, but we're gonna roll with it. Okay, it's pretty easy to blend, guys, as you can see. Okay, it is not that bad, as you can see. It is actually a little bit lighter on my skin tone, but I hope that it actually oxidizes so that I can see next what happens. And I'm going to be applying this as well in the another part. This side I'll show you. I think that hides my minor pigmentation, not the major one. So I'll just show you guys what I do. Foundation on my hair, guys. That is why I always just see, guys. That is why I always prefer to tie my hair. So guys, I am back, and that's how my face actually looks like. And I think that it is actually giving me pretty sheer coverage. As you can see, my skin is glowing. Another like funny part is that a lot of foundation is actually lifting over on my hand, as you can see. So I just have needed only 1 coat of foundation, nothing more than that, and it actually covered up my skin pretty well, which is a good thing. and pretty blendable, but it actually doesn't look very natural on your skin. That's what I want to say. And it is not the full coverage, it is medium coverage. It doesn't hide a lot of pigmentation, but the minor pigmentation doesn't oxidize, look glowy. But if you're all about the matte skin and you love matte finish, then I think you will not gonna like this foundation. So that's what I'm actually understanding by the one coat. Now I'll apply a little bit of makeup. So guys, I just applied tons of makeup on my face, and that's how my face actually looks like. Other than that, you can see everything on my face. I am actually really loving the coverage it is actually giving me, because with only 350 taka you can't expect more than this, I guess. Now I'll be actually talking about the pros and cons that I really like about the foundation and didn't really like about the foundation. So first of all, number one, it only retail for 350 taka, which is super affordable for the student, and yay from my side. Number two, it is really easy to blend. Number three, if you are from a dry skin family, then you will end up liking it, because it's gonna give a very sure to glowing coverage, which I personally love. Number four, it have SPF 15. Number five, it is long lasting and it is sweat proof. It is actually sweat proof, guys. I am not sweating at all. Other than that, the other foundation, I'll be like, oh my god, it's actually sweat proof. I totally agree with it. So yeah, these are all about the pros that I really like about the foundation. And now let's talk about the cons. Number one is it doesn't really look natural on your skin. It doesn't actually hide your major pigmentation. It's medium coverage, so you can mix up with some other foundation with it, then you can play with it better. So yeah, these are all about the cons. Yes guys, that's all about the foundation, all the pros and cons and demos and everything. I hope that you guys are helped by my video, or let me know down in the comment box. So yeah, anyway, that's all for today. I'll be back in my next video with another one, maybe, of course, with all of your requests or something like that sort. So till then, please take care of yourself, stay funky, stay healthy. I love you all so much. Bye.